All right, it's time for your Junior 1 Clone Light feature. Junior 1 Clone Light. More of the kids rolling out. 15 laps, here's your lineup. 15. Caden Clate in the 50, Hoyt Miller in the 91, Lane New in the 32, Kane Groves in 33, and Kyler Cobb in the 9K. Flat Carters are underway for your Junior 1 Clone Light division. And whoa, we got a spinner down in 2. When you hear the words clone and predator, that's the type of motors they are. So they're supposed to be built equaled out. We'll go back original. We'll give them one shot. Let's see if they can. Uh-oh. Looks like Kane might be stuck. That right rear tire, he's wanting to go. He's on the banking. There he goes. He was in the right place to not get any traction. All right, Kane back out there. He'll wait for him. Caden Clatt has had a pretty good Winter Nationals. And that yellow number 50 with the orange helmet. Hoyt Miller in the 91 be on his outside. Then Lane Newell, then Kane Groves, Kyler Cobb will bring him up at the rear in that number 9. It looks like Kyler not. Yep, he does make it through. They'll get the one to go at the flag stand this time. They're nip and tuck. Caden, keep your eyes. You can keep him abreast on that track with that orange helmet. Green is out. Here we go. Caden wasting no time. New moves into that number 2 position. And the caution will come out as lap number 2 gets scored in the books. Kyler Cobb dropping back to the rear. 2 down, 13 to go. They'll get the lights off at the flag stand this time by Lane New out of Rogersville. He's got a lot of racing ahead of him tonight in these feature events, running as many as 3, if not 4 different classes. Here they come once again. Green back out. We're underway for the kids' carts. New now showing some muscle as we've got a new race leader. Lane New now taking control. Clatt drops back to the number 2 spot as your top 4 are nose to tail. New, Clatt, Groves, and now the 91 of Miller coming on quickly. New, Clatt, and Groves running 1, 2, and 3. Miller just a little bit off the pace in that number 91, but now starting to gain some speed. Past the halfway point. New has got his work cut out. Leaders getting through lap traffic. Let's see how they do. Oh, that's a good job there by Cobb. Move it up, and now at the line, we've got another new leader. And the caution will come out for the 9 of Cobb. 11 down, 4 to go. 4 to go. Kyler Cobb doing a good job of getting out of the way. He is a lap down. He'll drop her to the rear. And we want to check the neck brace. Looks like the track a little bit on the abrasive side down low. Hoyt Miller, they're making sure that neck brace is gathered around them. Safety, pumpkin safety. That's our main objective here. 11 complete, 4 to go. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been a fast-paced one for your Junior 1 Clone Light. Caden Klatt, Edina, Missouri, in the number 50, has got Lane New out of Rogersville right on his back bumper. And don't count out Kane Groves of Mexico in that number 33. We've got 4 remaining. 4 remaining here for your Junior 1 Clone Light feature. Here they come. Green is out once again. I told you, keep your eyes on that 33. Groves, and now New gets shuffled back to 4th. Oh, and up against the front stretch. Yellow coming out. We'll get them back down, and a great job by the kids as Lane New catching it hard off turn number 4 up on the high side on the front straightaway. He's okay. He's a tough cookie. 13 down, 2 to go. It's going to be a 2-lap shootout to claim the championship for the Junior 1 Clone Light Division. They'll get the 1 to go at the line this time. We're all anticipating here very shortly as your box stop Predator 360 20-lapper for the Lowe boats coming up quickly. Here we go. Green back out and we're underway. Klatt now. Does he have enough to hold off that 33? We've got 1 to go. Keeping it nice and tight. Here they come, and at the line. A great race back there for the number 2 spot as Hoyt Miller makes a last lap pass to get the runner-up spot. And tonight's feature winner, ladies and gentlemen, looking strong from Edina, Missouri, if you would. Give him some Lebanon love. The number 50, Caden Klatt. Trophy presentation, winners of our first